Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I'll show you guys how you can customize your iPhone on iOS 12 or even iOS 13 without a jailbreak, and of course all for free. You can customize the home screen as well as the lock screen of your device. Starting with the lock screen, as you can see right here, you can customize the look of the buttons, the flash button and the camera button on the iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max and the iPhone 10R. So basically this will work right here only with devices with a notch. The other stuff that I'm about to show you will work with other devices as well. So as you can see, you can add like different shapes here and make them look really custom, really different. So what you need to do is go ahead, go to Safari. You will need to open a link that I will leave right down below in the description of the video, and you will see right here you have a ton of shapes which you can go ahead and add to your lock screen and customize the look of the lock screen of your device. So just go here, pick your device, so just tap right there on the name of your device and it will load the wallpapers that you need to use for your device. So scroll down here and you will find like different shapes. Right here you'll choose one that you want to use, go ahead and just tap on it, click right here to save, and once you have saved it on the camera roll of your device, just make sure you set it as a wallpaper on the lock screen and make sure you set it as a still wallpaper. Don't set it as perspective, set it as still. Another way to customize the lock screen is adding these awesome animations. When you wake up the screen, you will get these cool animations right here. As you can see, it looks pretty awesome and of course will make your lock screen look a bit different. So you go the same procedure, you go to Safari, you open the second link that you will find in the description of the video, and right here we'll find different wallpapers with different animations that you can go ahead, save to your device and set them as a lock screen wallpaper. Always remember to set them as still wallpapers. On the home screen of your device, you can get this cool animation, as you can notice it right here. Once I go to the home screen, go out of the home screen, go to the home screen, you can see that like kind of a wave, that cool animation, and of course you can see the border here on the device, and of course the dock will have a different color. So you can do all that by going to the third link that I will leave right down below in the description of the video, and here we'll find a ton of wallpapers. As you can see right here, you have wallpapers that allow you to colorize the background of your dock, so you can have a different like dock background on your device, and of course also the buttons on the lock screen. So just scroll right here and find the wallpapers that you want to use, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will find this cool wallpaper that I had that gives you that nice animation, that wave animation right there. So this is pretty cool. Always make sure that you set them as still wallpapers. So you can see right here a bunch of wallpapers with a bunch of different colors. Always just go ahead, select your device, save it and set it as a still wallpaper. And last but not least are these awesome wallpapers that will add these kind of like blocks to your device. You can see how cool that looks. You will have different rows, different colors here on the icons as well as at the status bar right there. And on the lock screen it's even better. So you will see right there, you will have a different color at the buttons right there at the top, different color right here, and a different color at the clock. Of course you can get them from the fourth link right down below in the description of the video. Just go ahead and choose your device from here and then you will have all these options. So these, as you can see, will work on all devices from iOS 12 and up, and you will be able to go ahead and customize the look of your device on the home screen as well as on the lock screen. As you will see right here, you will have a ton of different like wallpapers here, different colors to customize the home screen and lock screen of your device. So that is it for this video, guys. This is how you can customize your device for free without a jailbreak on iOS 12 and iOS 13 as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will find all the links that you need right down below in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.